Hot tubs are a luxury at any time of year, but they're especially wonderful in the colder months. However, they also tend to be thousands of dollars and require a lot of setup to get them working properly. Luckily, there are other options for those who live in rentals or simply don't want to pay a hefty price. The best inflatable hot tubs work just as well as hard-sided options but generally run under $1,000. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 inflatable hot tubs on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Intex 28481E Portable Inflatable Hot Tub. This Intex Simple Spa is the best inflatable hot tub for 1 or 2 people. It's small and affordable, but still has most of the features you'd want. With 100 jets and a temperature range of 68 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, it can rise up to 3 degrees Fahrenheit an hour, too. It has an adjustable panel on the side for easy control and even has a hard water system built in to make the water pretty gentle on clothes, hair, and bathing suits. It's a relatively small inflatable hot tub. Its inner diameter is 57 inches, which you can compare to our top pick's more roomy 67 inches, and it holds 210 gallons of water instead of the more standard 240 gallons and up, but it's a great size for 2 or 3 people. And while it doesn't have the fancy perks of some of our other options, it still heats up nicely. Number 2. Bestway Salou Spa Inflatable Hot Tub Spa. Finding the best inflatable hot tub proved to be a bit of a challenge because it had to have 2 essential features. It needed to be Title 20 compliant, a regulation having to do with energy efficiency, and therefore able to be shipped to all 50 states, and it needed to have protection against cold weather. Because it checks those boxes, in addition to some other promising features, our pick for the best inflatable hot tub goes to the Bestway Salou Spa Budapest Hot Tub. The Title 20 compliance comes in the form of an Energy Sense cover that's 40% more efficient than the standard covers that typically come with hot tubs. This traps heat in, keeping the water warm even when not in use, and saving the consumer money on energy bills, too. The Budapest hot tub also features the brand's proprietary automatic heating technology that traps the heat inside. Number 3. Intex 28451EP Deluxe Spa Set. The best inflatable hot tub for a crowd should have a high number of jets and some features that will keep the party going for a long time. The Intex Pure Spa Plus has 170 high-powered bubble jets and 2 spa headrests, as well as color-changing LED lights that add both visibility at night and some serious ambience. Plus, with the ability to connect to an app, you can start heating up the water well before your guests arrive, even if you're out buying party supplies. It'll allow you to schedule a time when the tub turns on, too. It's available to ship to all 50 states, thanks to a high-density, thermal-resistant locking cover that protects from weather damage and is supposed to be 59% more energy efficient than regular covers. The tub comes with 4 filter cartridges, a test strip to see how your water is doing, a floating chlorine dispenser, and a thermal ground cloth. Number 4. Coleman Salou Spa Sicily Air Jet. The Coleman Salou Spa is the best inflatable hot tub we found at a relatively lower price that is still Title 20 compliant and has some protections against colder weather. However, while it has a freeze shield similar to that of our top pick to keep the interior components from freezing, the tub cannot be used when outside temperatures hit 39 degrees Fahrenheit or less. Now, on to the other positives. The tub features a dispenser that evenly distributes the appropriate amount of chlorine. It's made with a durable material that's evenly cushioned on the bottom for comfortable seating and is made to prevent stretching or changing shape after numerous inflations and deflations. Plus, it has 180 jets and fits up to 7 people. Another nice feature is the addition of 2 comfortable carrying handles. At 82 pounds, it should be fairly easy for 2 people to move this around when needed. Number 5. MSPA, Mono, Frame Series, Round Hot Tub, and Spa. We knew that the best inflatable hot tub worth a splurge would likely not look like an inflatable hot tub, and the M-Spa fits the bill, with beautiful champagne accents and thin, rigid walls that are even resistant to pet scratches. It also has a control box that has a protective cover to guard it from the elements and keep its sleek exterior. The M-Spa Mono fits 6 people comfortably with its 138 bubble jets and has a number of high-tech details that make it worth the money. There are also other protective features, such as smart filtration, although we should note it needs to be swapped every 3 to 5 days when the tub is running, an automatic heat feature that protects the system and its pipes when external temperatures dip to 33 degrees Fahrenheit, and an inner liner made of antibacterial fabric. Dimensions: 68 by 68 by 26 inches. Water capacity: 245 gallons. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. I hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. Check out the description box if you want to know the product price. Thanks for watching.